been a 6-pounder a little while back when it was full. But today we've got a grasshopper. Oh!
Hey, welcome to Bass and Bonsai.
Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. The skies. Guess what? We got rain, light rain, thunder and lightning off in the distance. I'm here with Emily again.
Hey there.
She's not really awake.
No.
That's her sleep talking.
Yep.
She talks a little louder when she sleep talks. So it'll work for us. So anyway, we're gonna get out here. We're down at Knob Noster again. We got these guys, they pulled up and I don't even know how they got their trailer here and they're out here fishing. And we're gonna get ready to run them off.
They Flintstone'd it.
Yeah, they Flintstone their way in down here, so. Oh, they're just a bass moved right over there. So anyway, buckle up, hang on, wish us luck, and here we go.
Yeah, buddy. Look, right there too. I mean, what else is I gonna do?
There's a little one. Oh, we got a double. Yeah. Oh! I don't know if we saw that, but Emily's came off. Hers was bigger than mine. But as we already know by this short time we've already been fishing together, who gets them in the boat?
Me. That's all right. You refer to last.
All right, that was fun. Let's try that again. We need a monster. Oh, and she got a monster. Got red on.
Woo, look at it. Woo. Oh, I like the little ones.
Yeah.
Drag on this needs adjusted a smidgen.
Yeah.
Sorry, fella.
There we go.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Hi, Fred.
There's one. Oh, man. Oh, I know. He's talented. He's a skier.
I know. He's got more topwater action than any fish I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Oh, hell. Look at that hurt.
Barely got that. Thing barely fit in his mouth.
Yeah, he's hungry.
He's like, I haven't eaten in days.
Like that, David.
Well, we're still getting wet. Haven't really caught many fish. Emily, I don't know what she's doing. We stopped to get a hat, but she's like bound determined to catch one more before she wears a hat. And she's in a big nasty pit of moss. Johnny's hollering, he's got his personal best down below. I'm still in Emily's spot. That's probably 5.5, maybe 6. I don't know. Here,
There you go.
see if you can get it to work. When I turn it on, it's on like kilograms or some crap. Yeah, hold it out. There you go. There's a 7-pounder.
There you go.
All right, as you can tell, we're wet and we're done. We're not fishing anymore. What do you think, Emily? How did they go? Not good? We all have those days. It was raining. You would have thought, like, this is going to be an awesome day. They were going to be biting.
That wasn't rain. That was a damn thunderstorm.
Oh, yeah, that was kind of a storm. But anyway, now Johnny caught a nice one, and you'll probably see that footage.
Very nice.
We're editing
Bub
it out.
ate all my chips, and I caught one.
I caught a crappie.
I got 2.
So I got beat again by Emily, which is an everyday occurrence now. So
And I caught one little
Welcome to my
crappie.
world.
Bub caught a crappie. Johnny's like, yeah, welcome to my world. So anyway, all in all, not a bad morning. It's not even that late, is it? What time is it?
8:39.
It's 9 o'clock. So, good day. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help share the channel, go check out the bonsai videos. Yeah, it's a guy playing with trees. But anyway, like always, guys,
Adios.
Adios.
thanks for watching. These guys need to watch more of my tapes.
Adios, amigos.
This kid.
Oh,
All right.
Woo!
That is a very nice bass. biggest one I've caught this year.